everyone. This is Dr. Weiss at Life Source Chiropractic. I want to wish everyone out there a happy Valentine's Day, especially my wife, Lindsay. Happy Valentine's Day, honey. I also want to bring up the fact that February is American Heart Month, and we take that very serious. At least I do, because it's affected my life with my dad who has heart disease. He's had several different surgeries. He's had plaquing in his arteries. It's really taken away from things that he loves to do in his life. So I know that's affected other people and other people's loved ones. So on February 25th, we're going to present natural ways to not only prevent heart disease, but also treat it. So February 25th at 6:15 in our office, we're gonna help you and the ones you care about. All you have to do is show up, call our office first, sign up, and so we know we have a seat for you. But show up at 6:15 on February 25th with the person that you care about. In fact, our patients in our office, we're putting names up here of the people that we care about, so we know that we can start to think about them and encourage them to get into the office to hear this information. So I'll see you on February 25th at 6:15.